Hello and welcome to the HiCAD Short Clips. With this video I have the pleasure to present you an absolute highlight of HiCAD. I show you how you can save a parameterized railing infill in the catalog and use it in the railing configurator. Here you can see a parameterized railing field which I have already prepared in advance. Now I want to save this variant with the new function variant editor for railings in the HiCAD catalog. After that, the new HiCAD GUI Creator opens. This is a graphical programming interface with which you can design the parameterized variant of the railing infill yourself for the configurator. First I start with the tab control, place it and assign to both tabs a topic group. You can then rename and organize the tabs and topic groups into, for example, frames and variables. In order to fill the tabs and topic groups with the variables of the variant, you must switch to the tab variables. The variables displayed here are automatically transferred from HiCAD to the GUI Creator. Here you can simply drag and drop the variables into the programming interface and arrange them. Furthermore, you can see with the red or green plug icon whether you have already used the variables in the dialog. For the configuration of the profiles and glasses to use, you can control the access to the catalog entries. You can also pre-assign the value and fill in the designation. The same procedure applies to the next three values. Don't be surprised now, at this point I will fast forward the movie a little bit. Another note: if you do not immediately recognize the assignment of the variables with the GUI Creator, then you can also switch back to HiCAD at any time and simply query or look up the variables. You can also drag and arrange the new few variables in the topic group by drag and drop. You can use the edit box in the right area to pre-assign the proposal values in the configurator. The same applies here. For the variable a, I switch briefly to HiCAD and look at the reference of the variable and then name it in the GUI Creator. And the same procedure applies to the next three variables. Rename the variables and, if necessary, also define the proposal values for the configurator. Thus, the user can use the suggested values when using the variant. With the tab frame, I still have to pre-assign the value for the vertical holders. You can save the variant, change to HiCAD and test it immediately. Then call the railing configurator and select the steel beam. In the tab Infill, the new variant frame parameterized is now available to you. Here you can now set and change all the parameters I have configured. Then I create the railing. Now I want to make a change in the GUI Creator. Then I switch back and add an image to the tab variables. I select this in the Explorer and adjust it in its size. I save the GUI again and switch back to HiCAD and edit the feature entry railing along beams. Now you can see the change of the image file, tab filling and variables. You can also change the frame profiles from 40 by 40 to 30 by 30 and have the variant recalculated. In the ICN you can see where the profiles have changed and that the glass has also been adapted. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.